Introducing the Pocophone F2, the most rumored smartphone. Xiaomi may finally launch the Pocophone F2 this year, coming with a massive 7000 mAh battery and world's first 84 megapixel quad rear cameras. Flagship smartphone from Xiaomi for 2020. 6.3 inches AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, 1080p by 2400 pixels, Corning Gorilla Glass 5, 90Hz touch sensing and HDR10 supported. .84 megapixel quad rear camera, 84 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel dedicated macro lens and 5 megapixel for depth sensing. Lithium-ion 7000 mAh battery with fast battery charging and 45 watts. 100% charge in 40 minutes. IP68 dust and waterproof up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. .20 megapixel f2.2 wide lens for selfies. Snapdragon X65 octa-core processor and GPU and Reno 640. Six, 8 and 12 GB RAM, 64 GB to 512 GB storage option. In-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Subscribe for more updates.